Let's face it, folks, times are tough. The cost of living seems to be on a one-way trip to the moon. Groceries are more expensive, gas prices are through the roof, and don't even get me started on housing costs. It's no wonder so many hard-working people are struggling to stay afloat. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Millions of people are facing the same challenges. The good news is that there are ways to navigate these choppy financial waters and reach the shores of financial peace. It all starts with understanding the problem and taking action. One of the biggest culprits is debt. Credit cards, student loans, car loans. They can quickly pile up and feel like an anchor dragging you down. For many folks, their paychecks haven't kept up with the rising cost of, well, everything. It's time to take control of your money and your future. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of budgeting and debt crushing, we need to talk about something equally important, your mindset. You see, getting your finances in order is about more than just numbers. It's about adopting a new way of thinking about money. Let's ditch the scarcity mindset. That's the voice in your head that says, "I'll never get ahead," or "I'm just not good with money." It's time to replace those negative thoughts with a growth mindset. A growth mindset embraces the idea that you can learn, grow, and change your financial situation. It's about believing that with the right knowledge and effort, you can achieve your financial goals. Remember, your financial situation is not your identity. So, take a deep breath and tell yourself, "I can do this." All right, folks, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, budgeting. I know, it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me on this one. Budgeting is the foundation of a solid financial life. It's the key to unlocking your financial potential. Think of a budget like a diet for your money. It helps you track where your hard-earned cash is going and make sure you're feeding your financial priorities. The first step is to track your spending. Write down every dollar that comes in and goes out. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or one of the many budgeting apps out there. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can use to pay down debt or invest in your future. Let's be real, folks. Our education system often fails to teach us the basics of personal finance. It's like sending you out into the world without a map or a compass. But guess what? Financial literacy is your secret weapon in the fight for financial freedom. What is financial literacy, you ask? It's simply the ability to understand and manage your money effectively. It's about knowing how to budget, save, invest, and avoid debt. Think of it like learning a new language, the language of money. Start with the basics. Understand concepts like interest rates, credit scores, and compound interest. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries. The more you understand about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. Section 5. Side Hustle Power. Boost your income. Listen up, folks. In today's world, relying on a single income stream is like trying to sail a ship with only one sail. Sure, it might work, but you'll be much better off with a little extra wind power. That's where the magic of side hustles comes in. A side hustle is any type of work you do in addition to your primary job to earn extra income. It could be anything from driving for a ride-sharing service to selling handmade crafts online to freelance writing or graphic design. The possibilities are endless. Plus, that extra income can be a game changer for your finances. Imagine using that side hustle money to pay down debt faster build up your emergency fund, or even invest in your dreams. Section 6. Conquering the debt monster. Let's be honest, folks. Debt can feel like a monstrous weight on your shoulders, holding you back from achieving your financial dreams. But here's the good news. You can slay that debt monster and reclaim your financial freedom. It takes discipline, commitment, and a solid plan of attack. First things first, stop digging. Put those credit cards on ice and avoid taking on any new debt. Next, create a budget that prioritizes debt repayment. List out all your debts, including the balances and interest rates. Now, choose a debt payoff strategy. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. The avalanche method focuses on tackling the debts with the highest interest rates first to save money in the long run. Section 7. Your financial safety net, the emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, right? And unfortunately, those surprises aren't always pleasant. Your car could decide to take an unscheduled vacation to the mechanic. You could face an unexpected medical bill. That's where your trusty sidekick, the emergency fund, comes in. An emergency fund is a stash of cash that's specifically set aside for those unexpected expenses life throws your way. It's your financial safety net, providing peace of mind and preventing you from going into debt when the unexpected happens. Start by setting a small, achievable savings goal and gradually increase it over time. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Section 8. Planting seeds for the future. Basic investing. All right, folks, let's talk about putting your money to work for you. Investing isn't just for Wall Street hotshots. It's for everyday people like you and me who want to build wealth over time. Think of it like planting seeds for your financial future. Now, I know the world of investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning the basics. Understand different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider opening a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. One of the simplest ways to start investing is through low-cost index funds. These funds track a specific market index, like the S&P 500, providing instant diversification. The key is to start small and stay consistent with your investments. Section 9. Finding strength in numbers. Community support. Here's the thing about conquering financial challenges, folks. You don't have to do it alone. In fact, having a supportive community by your side can make all the difference. Remember, we're all in this together. Surround yourself with like-minded people who are also on a journey to improve their finances. Join online forums, attend local workshops, or start a money club with friends. Sharing your goals, challenges, and successes with others can provide motivation, accountability, and a sense of camaraderie. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. There's strength in numbers, and together we can achieve financial peace.